Hello, welcome back. This is Subathra Mylsamy, partner at AK Mylsamy and Associates. So today's topic is going to be about the foreign directors and their mandate under the E-Sahaj portal. I'm sure a lot of us have dealt with about these foreign directors before, and we have heard quite a bit. But let me also point out under the mandate of E-Sahaj. So every company in India is established under the Companies Act of 2013, which we are very well aware of. So an Indian company can be incorporated with the foreign director in India under this act, and the board of a company can comprise Indian residents and foreign nationals as well. However, an Indian company must have at least one director who is an Indian citizen. That is mandatory. The board cannot contain only foreign directors. A foreign national can be appointed as a managing director or as an independent director in an Indian company. Now, the next thing what we are going to see is who is a foreign director and the incorporation of a company with a foreign director in India. The foreign national must give a declaration while applying for the DIN, which is the DIN number, that he or she is not disqualified from becoming a director under this act. The foreign national cannot act as a director upon his or her appointment unless a consent is given to act as a director in the form DIR2. The foreign national also should file his or her written consent with the registrar of companies within the 30 days of his or her appointment as the director. So foreign nationals who are intending to become managing directors or the whole-time directors in Indian companies must fulfill the criteria of being a resident of India, that is, who is staying in India continuously not less than 12 months immediately before the date of appointment as a director. The foreign nationals also can be appointed as independent directors when they possess the skill, experience, knowledge and the qualification in one or more fields of finance. It can be law, marketing, sales, administration and research related to the company's business. The recent mandate put forth by the government with respect of the foreign directors, let us see what are they. Now, the Indian government has recently mandated that foreign nationals of a country which shares land border with India who seek an appointment as a director in India or applying for the director identification number, which is the DIN, security clearance from the Home Ministry would be required as a mandatory. Now let us see the law which is mandating these requirements. So the amendment made to the Companies Appointment and Qualification of Directors Rules 2014 in June 2022 added an additional requirement of security clearance for the person who is a native of a country which shares the land or border with India, that is China, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar and Afghanistan, and whoever wishes to apply for this DIN, which is the Director Identification Number, they should also obtain and attach necessary security clearance from the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Government of India, along with the consent in writing to act as a director in the form DIR2. What is this E-Sahaj portal? Now, the E-Sahaj portal is a single window facility which is launched by the central government in the year 2018 itself. Now, this portal allows organization, firms, companies and individuals to apply for security clearance from anywhere via the internet. So, once the applications and documents are assessed online by the concerned authority, the security clearance is given to the applicants on time. And this is said to be one of the fastest ways to get the clearance done. The E-Sahaj portal actually enables citizens no longer to have to visit any departments or office to get the security clearance. And with the help of this portal, now they can easily apply sitting anywhere to their convenience. And any applicant also can register into the E-Sahaj security clearance online portal. Let us see what are the features of this E-Sahaj portal. So in order to take advantage of this portal, which was started by the Government of India, it is mandatory for the interested citizens first to register themselves on this portal, which an OTP based registration is done. So after the registration, the user needs to log into the portal, fill out and submit the applicable security clearance forms. The portal will also facilitate an applicant to submit application online and also to view the status of his or her application from time to time. Once the user submits the application form, the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation will process the application and seeks clarification, if any, with the user, and the decision for the clearance will be taken only by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So to sum up, the objective of the National Security Clearance is to evaluate the potential security threats, including economic threats, and provide risk assessment before clearing any kind of investment and project proposals in the key sectors. Now, the aim is also to strike a healthy balance between meeting the imperatives of the national security and facilitating the easy doing of business and promoting investment in the country. So the E-Sahaj portal also helps the directors sitting outside the country to register themselves at a very fast and easy manner. And I hope this video was informative and useful for all of you all. See you next time. Until then, bye-bye.